Thank you for your interest in Cloud Stacking Plan. In today's video, we're going to show you how to manually enter or import property data. Let's start with logging into Cloud Stacking Plan. You will enter your email address and your password and then click Sign In. Upon logging into Cloud Stacking Plan, by default, you will be directed to the property page where you will see your list of properties. You have the ability to create a new property by clicking New Property above, or you can edit an existing property by clicking on the property in the list below. You also have the ability to search for a property using this criteria and clicking Search. Let's start by clicking on an existing property and exploring an existing property detail. By clicking on the picture, you are redirected to the property detail, which consists of several tabs. The first tab is Property, where you will enter address information and all of the possible basic information regarding a property. Here is where you will upload the picture for the property by clicking Choose File and then selecting an image file from your device and clicking Open, then Upload. The property image will be saved where it can be referenced when you are designing your stacking plan. The next tab is called File Cabinet. This tab enables you to store unlimited files related to the property. You simply click the Choose File button, select your local file, then click Open, and then click Upload. Your file will now be stored securely in the cloud with regards to this property. The next tab is called Contacts. This enables you to add contact entries related to your property, such as maintenance, agent, broker, or insurance. The next tab is called Floors and Suites. This is where you will enter or import your floor and suite data for this property. By entering the floor order, the floor name, and the number of suites, then pressing Add, the system will create a new floor, then automatically create as many suites as you specified in your number of suites. You then have the ability to edit basic suite information right from the grid. Then you can save it by clicking the Save Below button above, or you can click View to go into a more detailed view of the suite. By entering the suite detail, you will see that it is also comprised of several tabs. They consist of Suite, Leasing Extras, File Cabinet, and Bump Schedule. The Suite tab enables you to enter suite and tenant information. Leasing Extras enables you to add ancillary data about the suite, such as lease information, which lends itself to reporting features we provide like rent roll and lease comps. File Cabinet is just like the file cabinet in the property detail, where you can upload or delete files related to the suite itself, such as floor plans, leasing, subleasing, or marketing information. Bump Schedule enables you to maintain a reminder of when a tenant's rental rate is scheduled to be adjusted. This is only for reminder purposes. We do not automatically update the lease rate based on these entries. Going back to the property detail, the last tab is called Stacking Plans, which is where, now that you have added all of your property detail, you have the ability to create a stacking plan. One last feature we would like to show you is how to import a list of properties instead of manually entering all of your properties. By going back to your property screen from the Tree menu, you will see in the upper right portion of the screen that you have an import option. Here you can download our property spreadsheet, which is meant to be a template for how you need to prepare your data to be imported into Cloud Stacking Plan. Simply export your property level data from your internal management system to an Excel file. Rename the columns as per the display in the sample. Then save your file as an XLS file on your PC. Then come back to this screen, choose your file from the Browse button. Press Open and then press Upload. You will see all of your properties populate below as shown here. To import floor and suite level information, you will follow a similar path. Click on your property to be taken to the detail. Choose the tab Floors and Suites. In the upper right-hand portion of the screen, you will see Import Excel Spreadsheet File. As with properties, click to see our import template. Export your rent roll from your internal system. Rename the field names to what we describe in our template. Then save the file as XLS formatted Excel file. Now select the file from your PC by Choose File, select the file, click Open, and then Upload. You will see all of your floor and suite data populate below as it was listed in your spreadsheet. You can then enter each suite and make changes as so desired. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please view our other 2 videos which detail how to build and format a stacking plan and how to run reports and use other basic features of Cloud Stacking Plan. Thanks again for watching.